Hello friends, in last video we have seen how to add the assignments in general form and in the form of question based assignments. Now in this video we will be studying how to give quiz assignments. So here we have seen assignment option, question option, material option, topic option, and now the last remaining option we will explore in this particular video. So let us see how to create quiz assignment. So click on create and then on quiz assignment. The same window has popped up. Here you can give the title. Here again I want to give this assignment under aromatherapy. Aromatherapy quiz assignment, and this again carries 10 marks. Let it be due by 12 and let it get assigned under aromatherapy. Now here there are two options. Either you can add the ready-made generated quiz from your drive, like over here I am adding Google Drive, my drive, and aroma therapy quiz assignment. Aromatherapy quiz assignment. So if you click on this, you will get the Google form generated for aromatherapy quiz-based assignment. How to generate a Google form for quiz-based assignment we have already seen in live lecturing. So using the similar skills, you will be developing a Google form over here. And that Google form you will be uploading through Drive under your classroom section. If you do not have ready-made prepared quiz like I was having, you can even ask for a blank quiz form. So by default, this blank quiz form is attached over here. If you do not want, you simply click on cross, and if you want to generate the quiz, you can even generate the quiz. So like click on it, the blank form is generated in front of you. You can give the name as aroma therapy quiz and let it be quiz 2, because over here we have let it be quiz 1. So quiz 2 we have already uploaded from Google Drive, and quiz 1 we are uploading from here. Now here you can give the questions related to the same. You can give options, like for example I will show you one question setting in aromatherapy dash oil is used. So you can give different options: coconut oil, rose oil, castor oil. Now this is a multiple choice question. This is a multiple choice question, and over here the correct option is to be chosen. For that I'm clicking on this answer key. Click on the answer key and you can even assign the marks for which the question is generated for, and you can even add the correct answer. But before that you have to go to settings, and here you have to check it that whether it is in quizzed form or not. So close it and add the answer. So rose oil is correct answer. So I'm clicking it. So by default, the computer will correct when the response is generated. Here also you can give the same name. I forgot. Okay. So first question is set. You can copy it and new question is created. Similar kind of question I can ask. I'm just copy pasting it. I'm not asking some other question, just changing the options. So here I will give sandalwood oil, rose oil and patchouli oil. Now all these three are the correct options. So you can even have another type where you can go for checkbox. So in checkbox, the multiple answers can be selected as a type of correct answer. So these are the possible answers. Now if I feel since there are three correct answers, I can increase the marks also, click on done. So likewise, by using different options, you can generate different types of quiz questions. It can be true and false, it can be yes and no, it can be regular multiple choice, and so on and so forth. Now, every question should be compulsory. So if it is a required question, you have to click it on. When this button gets highlighted, it indicates the question is compulsory and student won't be allowed to go ahead without clicking at least one answer for the question. So now my quiz is ready and now I want to go for final settings. Whatever are the total marks, they are assigned over here. So you can see the quiz is assigned for 4 marks. First question is for 1 mark and second question is for 3 marks. Go to settings. Here first tab is of general tab. Here by default you can click the option to collect the email addresses of the respondents. You can even create tick mark for generating the responses. So you can even click on always, means whatever response is sent by the responder, you can always give one copy of the same to the person, or if you can click on whether you can ask the person whether he or she wants it, and accordingly you can set the setting. Limit the response to 1 indicates the respondent will be allowed to fill this form only once. Sometimes edit option we can keep it open if it is not quiz based question and some information related question, and you can even if it is a survey based question you can tick mark for see summary charts and text responses. So whatever data is generated based on that, based on the same information, charts and text responses can be created. Go to presentation part. Here you can give show progress bar. So if there are multiple sections in the form, after completion of one section, the progress bar will be highlighted. After completing the second section, again the progress bar gets highlighted, and so on and so forth. You will get complete coverage of the form and it will be indicated by the progress bar. Here is the confirmation message. You can write you have submitted the quiz successfully. So likewise, after completion, you can even write any such comment or such message. Quiz, you can make it a quiz based form. If it is a quiz, if it is survey based form and all, you simply click this option off. But right now I want it in quiz based form only. You can tick mark all these three options so that student will come to know how many points are given per question, what are the correct answers after submitting the form, and what are their missed questions for which they have not got any answer or they have not attempted it. click on Save. When you click on Save, the same form gets automatically attached over here. The same form gets automatically attached over here. You can see this is the particular form. You need no need to go to any particular copying the link and sharing the form. Automatically this particular form is uploaded over here, over there. So now I am closing it. This is also I am closing, and here there are two forms which are generated. One is in uploaded form and another one in this particular form which I created in front of you. Now attempt both the quizzes. Again, first quiz was for 4 marks and second quiz was for 10 marks. So total 14 marks it is allotted for. Again, I can decide to how many students I want to post it. Again, I will post it to only one student out of 2, and I can same options I will get over here: assign, schedule or save draft. So right now I am assigning it directly. So this will be posted immediately in the classroom section. So you can see this is how the quiz based assignment is generated, and out of 2 I have assigned it to one student. When I get the response from that student, here assigned will be 0 and handed in will be 1. Again, this quiz based question or quiz based assignment is also possess the same options of edit, delete, copy link, move down and all. Like we have seen the similar options for the previous topics and previous notes or previous types of assignments. So this is how we have seen how to generate a quiz based assignment. That is all about classwork using which you can create quiz based, question based or simple type of assignments, and video based, PDF based, word based or Excel, PowerPoint, link based, any kind of sharing of materials. That's all for today. In next video, we will be studying how to evaluate of the assignments submitted by the students. Thank you very much.